Hey everyone, today we're installing the F26 vacuum cleaner with station from Devia. First, let's take out all the components. Here we have the main vacuum unit, the auto empty station, and various accessories. Now let's install the auto empty station. Align the bucket with the main unit slot. Push lock latch. The station should, on a hard flat surface, keep the HEPA exhaust at least 15 centimeter distance from walls for optimal airflow. Now let's install the vacuum cleaner and the floor brush. You'll feel it lock into place with a click sound. Place the vacuum cleaner on the auto empty station. It starts emptying and charging automatically. Next, let's attach the accessories. Connect them to the station carefully, and when you hear a click sound, they are well installed. That's it. Our vacuum is ready to use. Easy setup, easy maintenance, perfect for home cleaning. Thanks for watching.